it's put something on that grill season. We had Memorial Day not too long ago, Juneteenth coming up, 4th of July about to come up. Let's make some sides. We had baked macaroni, now we're gonna do baked beans. We can get most of these ingredients besides the 0 sugar baked beans and of course the meat from Dollar Tree. They have a seasoning blend that had onion, celery, parsley, and bell pepper. So this is also a cleaning out my closet video. So these are the ingredients I'm cleaning out. This is what we added, and I'm also trying to clean out the seasonings as well. And here are all of the supplies. First, you're gonna want to cut up your bell pepper and your onion. If you're using the seasoning blend, you can just go straight into cooking it down and then adding your meat. And don't judge my cutting skills, cause it is what it is. It get the job done. I ain't no professional chef. But the reason why I added the 0 sugar baked beans instead of regular is because this recipe calls for so much sugar. Like in the barbecue sauce, there's sugar. They want you to put brown sugar and molasses. It's just super sweet. Speaking of sweet, I had to take a peach cobbler break. That video is gonna be coming soon. All the ingredients are from Dollar Tree. So now we're going to saute our onions and bell pepper. So I like to cook it down a bit and then add our garlic or our garlic. And then y'all, okay, so when I was doing the meat, I wanted to do 2 pounds. As you can see, the whole thing just plopped up in there, and you see my hesitation because wow. So we get to seasoning all our food. And yeah, we just go, we season the meat while it's cooking. And I like to season my stuff like while it's cooking and beforehand, and then at the end I'll taste it to see if it needs a little bit more. So yeah, just let your meat cook down, do all the stuff. I didn't drain it. I did not. There wasn't too much grease or anything coming from it. I think most of it was liquid from the onions and bell pepper. So I tasted it to see if it was good enough, and it was. So I just added all my beans, and then I added all the sugars and molassesy stuff and the barbecue sauces. I didn't have enough barbecue sauce, so I kind of I didn't make my own, but I added ketchup and Worcestershire, which are ingredients in barbecue sauce anyway. So I just added a little bit more technically. So you stir that bad boy up. You taste it again to see if everything is hitting right, and it do. So because I made a big old pot, of course I baked some. But then if you can get super cubes or some adjacent to it, put them in super cubes and freeze them, because again, it's grilling season and I'm half lazy. Like if I'm gonna make stuff like beans, spaghetti, I'm gonna make a big pot so I can freeze it for later. Plus, you know, it's a meal where I ain't gotta think about it. I don't like thinking too much sometimes, honestly. So here's my meal. It was delicious. Bye, y'all.